Hey everyone, so today we have a very interesting setup at church. If you've been seeing our live stream services, we've been using a phone. And for today, we are using a little different setup. So we've got the Sony A7C on the body with the Tamron 28-75 lens. It's a really versatile lens. That has been attached onto a DJI Ronin DJI RSC2. Even though it's light, it's not as light as we think it is. It's designed for vlogging, but clearly not for vlogging. And this is connected to one computer which is running OBS. Right now it's all disconnected because the service is over. OBS streams on to Facebook, and it is also connected to Pro Presenter. This laptop is so hot right now. Pro Presenter basically has got all of our sets, including songs, and the whole worship service is set and is all done by Nixon. So here we have two outputs here. So we have two outputs. One goes for the stream. So the camera is connected via a video capture card here. No, this is for the audio actually. So this audio comes from the H6, which is having an output from the mixer over there.
Joyce, say hi, mixer. Say mixer. So from the mixer from here to the H6 to the system
laptop.
and we have two video capture cards. Both are Oxford, right?
Both are Oxford, yes.
So one is here, both connected to this USB out. And yeah, this is one video capture thingy. This is one camera, and the other one is the RX100 here. This one we kept today only for standby because it heats up too quick. So we have two video capture devices.
Yes.
And one audio input from the mixer. So this laptop we are keeping it for streaming. So this goes directly to Facebook only. And this laptop here, it runs Pro Presenter and gives an output to the projector here, and another NDI output to the laptop. So it goes connected via the same Wi-Fi. So it goes here. Today we didn't have the NDI capture on this, but yeah, we'll hopefully have it next week. And the two mics are here. Behind the scenes. Also more behind the scenes here. We have all our storage here. Nice. And power here, power there.
Power, so many power strips.
Yeah.
Another one here. Where is it? Where's the other one? Oh, there it's chunky.
I think that's all of our hardware. Otherwise, yeah, we had another extra laptop because the NDI wasn't working, right? So we didn't switch it. Yeah, so yeah, basically this is it. This is a streaming laptop. And this is that's it.
That's it.
Yeah.
Signing out, Nege.
Bye.
No, you have to do that.